energy,
What's up?
energy, 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 energy,
What's up?
energy, 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 energy,
What's up?
energy, 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 energy,
What's up?
energy, energy.
Yo, what's up, guys? This is Mr. Blues FX, and it's yet another morning, guys. So it's the December vibes and all that, and I've started December a little bit too inconsistent, so I apologize for that. But yeah, we're back to business, and yeah, let's analyze Nasdaq. This is gonna be a quick analysis because I know people don't have time, so it's gonna be a 10-minute video. Then yeah, we're going. But anyway, so we're on the monthly chart for Nasdaq. So let's start with the fair value gap, our business. Fair value gap right there. So this is a fair value gap where we look for sales. So what did the market do? When was this? July, it passed it, and after it passed it, it closed above. You know why it closed above? Because of this 3 candle order block. So it closed on the body. As I always say, when there is a 3 candle order block right here, I'll change the color real quick. When there's a 3 candle order block, what do? You enter on the body of the second candle right there. Let me remove this real quick. As you can see, you see this green line over here. That's where you enter. And if you look at it real quick, you could have taken a good monthly sell down to here, into this fair value gap right here. You see this fair value gap right here. This could have been a good sell. Alright, we get that now. So the simplest way to explain a fair value gap is that these 3 candles, you see the last 3 candles, they green, then there's a red candle, meaning there's a change of price. So an order block is where there's a change of price. For example, here we're going up, these 2 candles going down, then boom, we go up again, an order block, because they are a change in price. They were an exhaustion, they were a break. So in this situation right here, also this red candle is an order block, but the market didn't actually, like after this red candle, run away. It turned and violated it. So that's why we don't use it as an order block. So when you look at last month, November, closed above a high. Or did we close above it or right on it? Or right below it? So we close right on it, probably. Yeah. So I did say that, okay, the last week of November has to set a high on one of my lives on TikTok, which I have to do today. So I did say, okay, Nasdaq has to set a high, and it did exactly that. It set a high in the last week of November, where when you look at it, it's here, right? It's here. It took liquidity, did all those things for us. Wait, let's go back to the monthly chart and label these areas so that we don't get confused. So this is a 1 month BC. No, CB. Sorry, guys. Sell side inefficiency, buy side imbalance. Huh? Wait. No. Am I correct? I think I am. Okay. This is a BC. 1 month BC. That we turned off. Okay. This is a BC. This is a CB. Cool. We have those. Let's keep the visibility of these two. The daily chart. If I put them past that, it's gonna be confusing. There's gonna be too many things. So we're gonna keep the visibility to the daily chart. Cool. So let's go to the daily. what do we see on the daily? Market maker buy model. Because, for example, to really see that this is a market maker buy model, let me show you the juice. Okay, let me start the juice properly. So to really see that this is a market maker buy model, first, look here. Nah, we had a fair value gap right here. Let's change its color. This green fair value gap right here, we had that. We turned at the 50% mark, called the consequent encroachment. After turning at the 50% mark, what did NASDAQ do? So, wait, let me show you that it's really a market maker buy model. Cool. So here first, we have lows, right? These lows were taken. After they were taken, listen to this carefully. After they were taken, the market went into a higher time frame PDRA, meaning it's either we bounced off a fair value gap, we bounced off an order block, we bounced off a volume imbalance, or we bounced off a breaker. But a breaker and an order block are one and the same thing. So, okay, so we went into this area and we bought. After we bought, as we went up, we violated this area here. There was a fair value gap here. We violated it. After we violated it, we took this high right here. Let me change my highs to blue. High number 1 taken. High number 2 taken. High number 3 taken. Then you have high number 4 also taken right there. Boom, boom, boom. Market maker buy model. Showing you how bullish the market actually has been. To actually see how many highs we have taken. Another high taken here. Okay, I'll mark that. Okay. So you really see that, okay, it confirmed when it went into a higher time frame PDRA. Then boom, it went up and started taking highs, taking liquidity. So we go to the 4-hour chart to see actually okay, what are we looking for this week? So the area I spoke about last week, we bounced off exactly there, this area right here. This area. We bounced off it, and it's a really strong area for buys. Because when you look at it, this may have set a high. And I know December normally like is normally in a consolidation. So you might find that we're gonna consolidate in this area right here. So go up, break a high, come back, break a low, but never shoot up. Then when we get to January, we get that opportunity to run away. So as I've been saying, I don't advise trading NASDAQ, nah. But if you're looking for an entry this week, because last week I gave that buy entry. So here's a fair value gap right here that we are in right now as I'm analyzing this morning. And it's a confirmed fair value gap because why? We can use it because we broke a high before we came back for the fair value gap, right? And yeah. So in this hourly fair value gap, right now we are sitting at the what? At the 50% mark of it, at the consequent encroachment. So what I would like to see in this area is the market rush to this wick here, rush to the low, and not move so slowly. Because if it moves and doesn't move away quickly when it gets to this area right here, I know it's going to go low and violate it. But if it comes to this area right here, rushes to it aggressively and moves away, then I know that, okay, I can buy and target these highs right here. Or these highs, or these highs. Like, I can take a trade here, targeting these highs, or that high. It's just, yeah, good trade. So in other words, what I'm doing, I'm looking for a trade right here. to target these highs. Stop loss 20 points. Yeah. Then let's go to the lower time frame to understand what we're looking at exactly in this area. So if you look at it, okay, here we have an order block. Where I want to take my entry is the bottom, like beneath, like it's the liquidity under the body of the order block. And let's find the consequent encroachment of this order block. You see, if you can find the consequent encroachment of this order block too, you'll see magic. So what do? We find the 50% mark of it quickly. And we get that the 50%, we get that the 50% mark is right. Wait. Here. Okay. Which is good for us. Because when we take this trade, you want to know what's next going to happen. Okay. Let's say the 50% mark is here. Let's change the color to that because it's going to be confusing. Yellow. The 50% mark. And if you check, this blue line is a high. So it's meaning that we are hitting an order block and retesting a high too. Literally that. We are hitting a high, retesting a high, and taking out liquidity in this area and reacting off an order block too to take a buy. So those are the few things that we are using in this video. I don't want to go into deep detail of everything because like this is not a mentorship yet, but it's just a little series to teach you things. But yeah, let's go to the 5 minute to look at it. 5 minute. There's a lot going on in the 5 minute. But yeah, this area is going to be our buy area today. Right here, where I'm speaking of. Yeah. So guys, this is yet another video. I'm going to be consistent. Even more consistent on my next videos. And yeah, guys, you know the vibes. We'll be back pushing soon. Thank you. This is Mr. Blues FX. Have a lovely week. We'll be back with more videos this week. I'm going to push and be more consistent, guys. I apologize for the inconsistency lately. But we'll be back pushing again. Thank you, guys.
Woke up like this, I'm going big. She gave me a kiss. Mwah. That nigga sick, I'm going big. I am a king. Yeah, nigga, I'm in. They couldn't close all the gates cause I fit. Kicking your shins. I got no time for no quit. T63 in the mill. Now that's the deal. I'm getting bigger and bigger, I mean. Little by little, I'm making a scene.